Hi guys, in this video we're going to do some Minecraft tips and tricks. Most of them will be tips and some will be tricks. Okay, now I'm just going to say my things. Now the first thing is here, you can use this elevator to go up. You can use this as an elevator. You need to just dig a block with sand hole and then add water in it with honey on the side. You can even use this by coming down. See, just do this. You climb down this. No, another thing is that you can trap pigs in here by taking the carrot. I take carrot from them and then place the pigs here. Take the carrot. Throw the carrot to them until they come in here. Okay, now they're in. Now another thing, to get out of here if you're in survival mode, you can do like this. You can do this. Place a boat here. Jump on that boat. Now the pigs won't be able to jump on the boat. But that's how it works. Now, third thing is that you can add TNT on this. Even under it, it doesn't do much damage. I'm going to add in a separate area because I did my test. Now you can add this on here. Now there's a pig coming, so it might die, but there's no worries, I can spawn more. So then, now take flint and steel. Now you should also get out of here so it doesn't blast you. See, it doesn't do that much damage. Even if the hand is on that TNT, then it still doesn't do that much damage. Now 4. Ring the bell. Now this might maybe to trick the villagers, so now the villagers coming. Now this might not always work because you need so many villagers to come. Now the pig luckily came. Okay. But this might you a few times. It's kind of hard to get the villagers' attention. Now the villagers also keep moving now. The villagers will also keep on moving. Now add some villagers here. Now they're looking some. Now it mostly works in the village. But another thing is they also keep on moving if you ring the bell too. Now the fifth thing is that this is like funny. Now you can name them dinner bone. Everything gets upside down. Villagers get upside down. Everyone gets upside down. Let's test this out with a creeper. I'm going on creative mode so that creeper doesn't blow up. I tried a creeper. I'm not sure if it will work. Oh, it also works with a creeper. Any mob this link dinner bone, but you need to keep it capital D. Okay, now that is enough for this video. Subscribe if you wanna join me in any other videos. So like Minecraft, eating I can, Roblox and stuff. So that's it. Bye. Make sure you subscribe to join me.